breach attack simulation, AttackIQ, Cisco Secure Endpoint, BloodHound, Ingestor execution. We're going to do this in prevention mode. Let's get started. All right, back into Cisco Secure Endpoint. Let's go ahead and navigate to policy. We want to make sure that our asset is actually assigned to the prevention policy or preventative policy, and it's currently in audit. Let's check that out here. And we can see it's audit policy. So let's go ahead and move that asset into the appropriate group that has all the protection mechanisms in place to mitigate the risk. We'll go to events, and then we'll jump back and we'll update the client just to ensure that it is actually got the right policy. And in a few seconds, we should see, there we go, full protect policy. And just to triple check, real-time protection is turned off. And there we go. Cisco Secure Endpoint is enabled. And the only endpoint protection, detection and response software running on the asset. Now, if we come in here and we reload, we should see a policy update. And we can see that. All right, we're ready to go. Let's go jump back into AttackIQ. Let's go to assessments. We'll go ahead to BloodHound Protect, and we'll go ahead and run that. Now, we've done this before. We've already went through this scenario. The difference here is that we've got the preventative capabilities running on the endpoint. There's no integration in this particular assessment, but we'll be able to see the results within Secure Endpoint. Now, that finishes pretty quick. Let's go ahead and reload here and check that out. We see a bunch of events already. We can see threat detected. We can go ahead and jump into this particular event, and we can see a bunch of tactics and techniques. These are expected at this point in time, but let's go ahead and jump back into AttackIQ. And let's go into our assessment. Let's have a peek and see what's happening here. Let's go ahead and click on the event here, and now we've got all the details. Let's go ahead and drill into the activity details first. And we can see the system cannot find the file executed, most likely blocked by a security tool. So this phase will be marked as preventative. So we did have a preventative outcome. Basically, Cisco Secure Endpoint saw the malicious attempt from sharphound.exe and quickly removed that threat. Now, if we jump into the MITRE ATT&CK framework within AttackIQ, you can see that we've got preventative capabilities, account discovery, domain trust discovery path. Again, none of these could ever be realized because we prevented the attack earlier on. So that's why audit mode's pretty interesting, because we can see some of these other elements being either detected or not on the tooling that we might have if they're able to bypass a control. Pretty cool stuff.